A very good afternoon to you. It's looking like a misty and grey Boxing Day this year. Limited cloud breaks for the luckier ones and staying dry for many of us. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. An awful lot of grey sky with thick, low, misty cloud. The best of the brightest skies for parts of the east of the Pennines, Yorkshire, down into Wales and the West Country here. Some slithers of low, weak winter sunshine, perking things up a touch. For the rest of us, a good deal of murky low cloud, keeping it quite grey and grotty. And we've got this area of patchy rain sliding through parts of Scotland and tickling fringes of Northern Ireland there. Otherwise, a dry day. Temperatures are very similar to yesterday, above average for the time of year. And the misty low cloud will tend to thicken up again overnight. Some pockets of fog developing, giving some poor visibility come dawn. The patchy rain becomes confined to northern Scotland, otherwise staying dry. Temperatures down a notch, but nowhere near as cold as it could be given the time of year, and certainly staying frost-free. Hello to you again, a very good evening. We've got yet more misty low cloud thickening up this Boxing Day night, together with some fog patches developing into the next few hours, and all the while staying dry for many of us. The only glitch will be that patchy rain and drizzle through the far northwest of Scotland. Otherwise, it will stay dry as that huge area of high pressure extends from the near continent. Fine, quiet, calm conditions as we stroll into the weekend. Temperatures down a notch, but nowhere near as cold as it could be given the time of year, with frost-free nights. Just a lot of cloud limiting that winter sunshine. The mist, the low cloud, thickens up in the next few hours, together with some fog patches likely as the night wears on. Some poor visibility as we head into the first stages of Friday morning. Any patchy rain and drizzle confined to the far northwest of Scotland. Elsewhere, a dry night. And temperatures down just a couple of degrees, but nowhere near as cold as it could be given the time of year, and certainly staying frost-free out there. So misty low cloud as together with the fog first thing tomorrow morning. And quite a grey, murky picture, quite gloomy with that thick low cloud. And the grey sky sticking around for much of the day. Any brighter breaks will be few and far between. The mist, the low cloud and the hill fog giving poor visibility in places, and temperatures down a few degrees across the south, just 7 or 8 degrees here, but still, for many of us, those temperatures way above average for this point in the year. And again, any patchy rain and drizzle confined to the far northwest of Scotland. Otherwise, it's looking dry. And into Saturday, very much a repeat performance. Staying mostly dry with grey, gloomy skies with that thick low cloud and mild for the time of year.